Hi, I'm Erin Brown. I'm live at Gonpachi in Beverly Hills at the Primetime Emmy giveaway party. Let's go get some free stuff. I mean, meet some cool stars. It's like swag. Let's see who wants to walk the red carpet.
Hot on the red carpet.
I think bringing your own bath mat's a good idea always.
How did you get involved at this Emmy party?
I'm nominated for an Emmy.
Pardon me for not knowing.
That's all right.
People
Yeah.
think I'm a journalist. I'm like, I just carry a red carpet. Congrats on True Blood. That's
Thank
awesome.
you.
Is this the scariest microphone you've ever talked into?
It is. I think we're a bit of a long shot. There's Mad Men, and there's Dexter, and there's some really incredible shows that we're up against.
You're right.
And we're just happy.
So gonna lose. I'm glad you put your shades on because it is really bright in here.
It gets a little bright at these things.
Well, here we are at this wonderful giveaways where all of us come and slop up all the goodies that the people, we get greedy. What we do is we have a greed fest. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
And I love it.
We're with The Bachelor and The Bachelorette.
Oh, we're not bachelors and bachelorette. We're engaged.
No more. No.
This just in. They're not Bachelor and Bachelorette anymore. They're engaged. You're going Sunday night? You're going to go to this one or you already went to the other one? Are you going to be there?
I don't know.
Are you just coming here at the Emmys? I wanted to introduce you to my red carpet.
Oh.
Yeah, if you want to take a stroll. You know,
sweet.
just to prepare
That's very cute.
for Sunday.
Yes.
Do you ever miss the bus? The Partridge Family bus?
No.
You know, I'm Dr. Ward, the host of the TV show The Doctors.
So when you went to med school, was your goal to have a TV show? I'm here with Carrie Preston. Is it scary ever on the set?
No.
Is it as scary as this microphone?
No, that is very scary. I'm wearing a gown by Mako Takata. This is the 4th gown that he's made for me.
So when you have somebody making you dresses, you've made it.
I feel like it.
I just realized that my mother's been making me dresses for years, so clearly I've made it.
Having an ice cream float. They make some with Bacardi.
What number milkshake?
I don't know.
This is a machine that makes ice cream, gelato, sorbet, mixed drinks, and we use liquid nitrogen, and it's made fresh right there for you personally.
How stoned were you guys when you thought of the idea? How much is this machine?
This one would be $26,000.
Okay, but this is giveaways, right? Shirley Jones' husband checking me out.
She's getting Mary Hart's job, you know.
I think that the sale of root beer floats is going to go up tremendously after this interview.
Who knows when I'm gonna get another chance to walk on
Can't
the
get
red
enough.
carpet
Can't
again.
get enough. I think they're going to ask me back next year to this event. We're too sexy in this corner. We're too sexy.
It's just that we need to take people over.
Sorry. It's a wrap of the Primetime Emmy giveaway, sweet swag, whatever the heck this thing is called. It's been fun. I got a lot of free stuff and met some cool peeps. See you at the next red carpet event. Straight out of Allie's mouth. What's happening on Sunday? The Emmys?